Hey, let me show you the most popular watch faces on the Xiaomi Watch S3. So to check like the most downloaded watch faces on this device, you will have to actually grab your phone, go into the Mi Fitness application, then select the device at the bottom, and from this select Manage Watch Faces. And now all you have to do is just to click on this popular. So now we can find the most popular watch faces for this device. And now if you want to set any of this watch face, let's maybe find something interesting. Okay, so for me, this one actually looks cool, so I have to get it and click apply. Now after this process, I can find the new watch face, and as you can see, it's even animated. So yeah, that's cool. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.